Law number 48. Willpower and individuality. Beneath the fur, feathers, or scales, every creature has its own spark, a drive that shapes its role in the bigger picture. The law of willpower and individuality is all about finding that sweet spot. Not too same, not too different. In a balanced system, every part has its own voice, but they all sing the same song. Think of animals that pass the mirror test: birds, apes, elephants. They recognize themselves, proving that individuality isn't just real, it's powerful. When each piece knows itself and still works toward a common goal, that's when systems thrive. In the ocean's depths, dolphins use unique signature whistles like names, showing off their individuality and keeping social bonds strong. The law of willpower and individuality captures this essence. No two flowers, birds, or dolphins are truly alike. Individuality fuels diversity, but it also creates tension, requiring balance. Differences shape social structures, with hierarchy often emerging from varying degrees of willpower. From dolphins to magpies, self-recognition reveals that identity isn't just a trait. It's a force that shapes life itself.